Picture this. The world's in turmoil, markets are crashing, and your hard-earned savings are at risk. Where do you turn? For centuries, investors have sought refuge in precious metals. But in today's uncertain times, is gold still king, or has silver emerged as the new safe haven champion? Welcome to the Savvy Finance Corner YouTube channel. Wealth begins with knowledge. In times of economic uncertainty, geopolitical tensions, or market volatility, investors often seek safe haven assets to protect their wealth. Traditionally, gold has been the go-to choice for those looking to preserve value during turbulent times. However, silver has been gaining attention as a potential alternative, offering unique advantages that gold can't match. Today, we'll dive deep into the gold versus silver debate, exploring which precious metal might be the better safe haven for investors in 2025 and beyond. Let's start by examining why gold has long been considered the ultimate safe haven asset. For thousands of years, gold has held a special place in human civilization, revered for its beauty, rarity, and ability to store value. During times of crisis, whether it's war, economic collapse, or rampant inflation, gold has consistently proven its worth as a reliable store of value. One of the key reasons gold works so well as a safe haven is its limited supply and global recognition. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed at will by governments, the world's gold supply increases slowly and predictably. This scarcity helps maintain its value over time, even as other assets lose purchasing power due to inflation. Central banks around the world continue to hold significant gold reserves, further cementing its status as a trusted asset. When investors see major financial institutions backing gold, it reinforces their confidence in the metal's ability to weather economic storms. But what about silver? Often overshadowed by its more glamorous cousin, silver has been quietly carving out its own niche as a potential safe haven asset. While it may not have the same historical prestige as gold, silver offers some unique advantages that are particularly relevant in today's rapidly changing world. One of silver's most compelling features is its dual role as both a precious metal and an industrial commodity. Unlike gold, which has limited practical applications outside of jewelry and electronics, silver is a crucial component in various industries, including renewable energy, electric vehicles, and advanced electronics. This industrial demand creates an interesting dynamic for silver as a safe haven asset. On one hand, it provides a floor for silver prices, as there's always a baseline level of demand from manufacturers. On the other hand, it makes silver more susceptible to economic cycles, as industrial demand can fluctuate based on overall economic health. Silver's lower price point compared to gold also makes it more accessible to a broader range of investors. This accessibility can be both a blessing and a curse. It allows more people to invest in precious metals, potentially increasing demand and price appreciation. However, it can also lead to higher volatility, as smaller investors may be quicker to buy or sell based on market sentiment. Now that we've explored the individual merits of gold and silver, let's compare them head to head. When it comes to price stability, gold has historically been the clear winner. Its larger market cap and status as the premier safe haven asset mean that gold prices tend to be less volatile than silver. However, silver's volatility can be an advantage for investors seeking higher growth potential. During bull markets for precious metals, silver often outperforms gold on a percentage basis. This is partly due to the smaller size of the silver market, which allows for more dramatic price swings. Looking at historical performance, Both metals have proven their ability to preserve wealth over long periods. However, their short-term performance can vary significantly based on economic conditions and market sentiment. It's important to note that neither gold nor silver is without risks and limitations as safe haven assets. Both can experience significant price corrections, especially during severe market downturns when investors may be forced to sell assets indiscriminately to raise cash. Additionally, neither gold nor silver generates income in the form of dividends or interest. This means that investors rely solely on price appreciation for returns, which can be unpredictable and subject to market forces beyond an individual's control. Storage and security can also be concerns, particularly for physical holdings of these metals. Unlike stocks or bonds, which can be held electronically, physical gold and silver require secure storage solutions, which can add to the overall cost of investment. So, which should you choose in 2025? The answer, as with many investment decisions, depends on your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and overall financial strategy. For more conservative investors, prioritizing wealth preservation and stability, gold may be the better choice. Its long-standing reputation as a safe haven and lower volatility make it an attractive option for those looking to protect their assets during uncertain times. On the other hand, investors with a higher risk tolerance and a desire for potentially greater returns might lean towards silver. Its industrial applications and potential for outsized gains during bull markets could make it an exciting addition to a diversified portfolio. For many investors, the best approach may be a combination of both metals. By diversifying between gold and silver, you can potentially benefit from gold's stability while also capturing some of silver's growth potential. It's also worth considering the broader economic landscape when making your decision. Factors such as inflation rates, geopolitical tensions, and technological advancements in industries that use silver could all influence the relative performance of these metals in the coming years. In conclusion, both gold and silver have their place as potential safe haven assets for investors. Gold offers time-tested stability and global recognition, while silver provides a unique blend of precious metal status and industrial utility. The choice between the two, or the decision to invest in both, ultimately comes down to your personal financial goals, risk tolerance, and outlook on the future of the global economy. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this debate. Are you Team Gold or Team Silver? Drop a comment below with gold or silver to let us know where you stand. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth financial analysis and investment insights. Remember, in the world of finance, knowledge truly is power. Until next time, this is Savvy Finance Corner, helping you navigate the complex world of investments, one precious metal at a time.